Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. For example, if you try to send the message on Snapchat to someone and it doesn't send, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And moreover, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings here, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply turn on click on the App Store here. So in App Store you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update, because many bugs and error are fixed by the latest version of the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, what you have to do, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device. For this, you have to simply press and hold the power and volume button, or after that you have to simply restart your device. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on the settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to general again, and you have to click on iPhone storage, and here you have to look for the Snapchat app. And after that you have to simply click on offload the app, and after offloading the app you will see an option like reinstall the app. So here you have to simply click on that, reinstall the app, and after reinstalling the app, hope your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply send it to the Apple Sport and Snapchat Sport. For this, you have to simply go to Snapchat, and here you have to simply click on settings, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Help Center. So here you have to simply contact Snapchat Sport and ask for the solution of your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.